Welcome to Wat Madua School, and this is Teacher Dom's online teaching class. Our subject for today is Math for Grade 3. And our topic is rounding numbers up to 100,000, and we round off today up to the nearest 100. Learning objective is, at the end of the lesson, the students will be able to round off numbers to the nearest hundreds. Keywords are place value, digit value, hundred thousands, ten thousands, thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. Now let's go to practice test. Are you ready? But before that, let's deal first our practice test guidelines. Number 1, students, learners should be assisted or guided by their parents or guardians while taking the online test. Number 2, students, learners must complete answering online tests from 1 to 5, 1 point each. Number 3, students, learners should fill in the missing numbers in the blank and remember the correct answer. Here's the general rule for rounding. If the number you are rounding is followed by 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, round the number up. Example, 389. So we are rounding to the nearest 100, so you have to look at the number right next to the number we need to be rounded. Like for instance, 389, next to it is 8, so we're going to round it. 389 is rounded to the nearest 100 is 400. However, if the number you are rounding is followed by 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, round the number down. For example, we have here 334. So since the number right next to 300 to 3 is 3, and it's a weak number, so you're going to round it to the nearest 100, it becomes 300. For example, we have here 852. So 852, we look at 5 as the number right next to 8 that should be rounded. So 5 is a strong number, so it becomes 900, and 2 becomes 0. So another example we have here, 2465. So the number that should be rounded here is 4, so the number right next to it is 6. It's a strong number, it becomes 2500. Here, another example, we have 48,566. The number that should be rounded is 5, and the number right next to it is 6. 6 is a strong number, it becomes 48,600. Round 1,789 to the nearest hundreds. So look at the number next to 7, it is 8, so it is a strong number, so it becomes 8. 7 becomes 8, so the rest of the numbers becomes 0. So the answer is 1,789, approximately rounded to the nearest 100, it becomes 1,800. Now let's go to the actual practice test. Round to the nearest 100. Okay, number 1, round numbers to the nearest 100, 1,457. 1,457. The answer is 1,500. 1,500. Question number 2, round numbers to the nearest 100, 4,347. 4,347. The answer is 4,300. Next, number 3. Round numbers to the nearest hundred. 8,558. 8,558. It becomes approximately 8,600. The answer is 8,600. Practice test number 4. Round numbers to the nearest hundred. 10,148. 10,148. So it becomes 10,100. Question number 5. Practice test number 5. Round numbers to the nearest hundred. 15,789. 15,789. It becomes 15,800. So what is your score? Our online total test score is 5. So it is expected that you should have a score of 5/5. Thanks a lot for following this online lesson for Thai young learners at Wat Madua School, Nonthaburi, Thailand. Keep learning and follow Teacher Dom's online teaching class. See you until the next online lesson.